Fast packaging speed. Can pack 300 packs per hour. Large packaging range. 0.5 to 5 kilograms can be. Packaging appearance dimensions length 1963 mm width 3709 mm height 2907 mm has a high degree of automation, automatic bagging, measuring and filling. Double scale loading and collection speed is fast, and the control performance is easy to operate. The size of the package can be automatically adjusted. Vacuum shaping and sealing equipment adopts box-type vacuum. Vacuum forming, 1 seal. After the finished product is output, it is packaged, and the design is convenient to form a vacuum packaging production line. The equipment structure is reasonable, and the double-station horizontal operating mechanism is adopted and reasonable structure. The equipment is driven by a servo motor, running smoothly and at high speed. High control accuracy and low noise.